Welcome to lecture 3 of Kobocollect that is going to include addition of questions and also applying skip logic. So last time we said if you want to log in, you use the link with kf.kobo dot kobo toolbox.org stroke accounts stroke login. So once we click that, sorry, let me, there's internet interruption a little bit. Okay. So once you click that, the pop-up screen for logging in with your username and credentials is displayed. So you log in. Remember our form that we created last was saved as RBA questionnaire. So we are going to click on it. Then in order to open the form, then we are going to use the option edit form. Edit form. So last time, these were the questions we created, group questions and the introductory part. So what we are going to learn today is skip logic, whereby if we check this first question, are you willing to participate in the study? We have two options, yes and no. So it means whoever responds to no should not be able to see these other questions that follow. Therefore, in that case, only the person who responds yes should be able to see these questions. Meaning, for these questions to be seen, the respondent details, it is being controlled by the response given in this question. And that's what we call skip logic. So in order to create skip logic in this question too, we are going to click the setting of the group, not of individual questions, because here we have these buttons, the three buttons for each. Some have got four. So we have the button of settings, we have the delete, and we have this other one which you can use to add question to the library. So we are going to click the setting, and when you are on the settings, once you've clicked the settings, you get these two additional options, all group settings and then skip logic. So I'm going to click on skip logic and add condition. So if you click add condition, then this display is made with this question will only be displayed if the following conditions apply. So with skip logic, it means we display a given question if a given condition is met. So, and from here, we are going to select the question. Are you willing to participate in the study? Yes. Then by default, it gives you the first option of the choices. So that means there are other options below. So you have to click here to get all the options. So because we have said whoever responds yes should have the other question displayed. So we are going to click yes. And then after that, click save. So once it is saved, let us do a preview. And in order to understand better what I mean, so there we are. So you can see this is the first question. Are you willing to participate? So that other group of questions is not being displayed. But the moment you click yes, then you can see this question displayed. And that is how the skip logic works. So once you've saved, you save the changes. Remember to save the changes. Then you can simply close from here, close that. And then you can also apply the expand collapse so that these other options, we may have them. So you can see all the sub questions under the respondent details are hidden. But if you want to show them, you can click that and then you have them displayed. So in order to create another question outside this group of respondent details, there are two plus signs here. In case we click the plus sign that is above, then it means we want to add a question within the group. But if we want to add question outside the group, then we bring our pointer and click on this plus sign. So here we have, and again, we are going to create a group of questions. So the next question, we want to create provinces because we are using Kenya as a country and using the former 8 administrative units. So from here, we'll say province, and because we want only to choose one, so we are going to use the option select one. Okay, and the first option will be coast. Second option, we have eastern. Third option, you click here to add northeastern. Northeastern. Fourth option, we are going to have central. Okay, next option, we are going to have western. Another option, we are going to have Nyanza. Then the next option, we are going to have, after Nyanza, let's have Rift Valley. Then lastly, we are going to have Nairobi. So now from here, these provinces, we want to create counties for each. Okay, counties for each. So we want to add another question within, so you can remember to save. So to add another question within, we need to create a group of questions, and the group we are going to create is known as the study location. So in order to create group, please remember we said you first ensure you've highlighted this entire question. You first highlight the entire question. You must see there's a blue highlight around the rectangular display. Then click the option create group. So from here, once you click create group, the name group will appear here, and then replace it with the word study location. Study location. So it means now we can be able to add another question within the group. And in order to do that, you simply come and click the plus sign that is above, because you will have two of them. So from here, we are going to say coast counties. We are going to create coast counties. Coast counties. Okay, and because we are going to pick only one, we are going to add question and use the type select one. So the first option will be Mombasa. Sorry, wrong spelling. Mombasa, that is the first option. Second option that we are going to have after Mombasa, we have Kwale. Then we have Kilifi. Then we have the next option, Tana River. Then we have the next option, Lamu. Then we have the next option, Taita, Taveta, and that is the last option for this. So again, mark you, we said this group of question study location, we also have to create skip logic for it, and we are going to create more than one skip logic. The first one that we are going to create is to ensure when we have our response yes from question one, then this question should be displayed. And that we are going to have it from the group settings, click that, click skip logic, add another question response. Yes, by default we have it. Then our second skip logic, we are going to apply in the counties, the coast counties, okay? Whereby we want the coast counties to be displayed in the event you responded uh, coast under the provinces, or under the provinces you made the respond coast. So we click here, add skip logic, add condition. So you go to the province and then click here to have options. So these are the provinces listed here. So the question should be displayed if you picked coast. That is when the coast counties should be displayed. Save the changes and then preview, and we can have a pretest to that. So we can see, yes, the study location again is still appearing, meaning our skip logic has not been activated. So we need to go and check. So we are going to the study location, this one, skip logic, add condition. Are you willing to participate in this study? Yes. Then save, save. So once we have this, then we can close them and then preview to ensure it is now working. So as you can see now, the study location questions are not displayed, but when we click yes, then we can have respondent details, we can have study location, and if we click on coast, then the coast counties appear. So that means we are also going to create eastern counties and apply skip logic to it, that when you click on the province and choose eastern, then that is when the eastern counties should be displayed. So we are going to add another question. So this is the coast counties. Now come use the upper plus sign or the inner plus sign to add eastern counties, eastern counties. And once you've added eastern counties, add question, select one. Okay, option one is Marsabit, Marsabit. Option two, you have Isiolo. Option three, we have Meru. Option four, we have Tharakanithi, Tharakanithi. Option 5, we have Embu. Option 6, we have Machakos. Option 7, we have Makueni. Option 8, we have Kitui. Yes, we have Kitui. Then remember, we said we have to create skip logic for it, add condition when you choose the province, and here it will now be eastern and not coast. Then click save. So we continue with the same process by adding the northeastern counties, eastern counties. So click, select one. Have the northeastern, you have Garissa. Option 2, we have Wajir. Option 3, we have Mandera. Then again, what we do is set skip logic, uh, then have province and choose, this one is northeastern, and then save. So I'm going to repeat the same process for all the remaining uh, counties. So this is northeastern. I'm going to have here which county we have central counties, central counties, uh, central counties. Select one. We have Nyandarua, Nyeri, Nyandarua, Nyandarua, Nyeri. Then we have Kirinyaga, Muranga, Kirinyaga, Muranga. Then we have Kiambu as the last one. So we have that. Create skip logic. Remember, it is being guided by the question, which is province. So province, when you select central and then click save. Okay. So again, click that. Come to the next one, which is western counties. Western counties. So add question, select one. So we begin with Busia. We have Bungoma. Then we have Vihiga. And we have Kakamega. Again, add skip logic. The question guiding us is province, and this time western, and save. Add, then sorry, this one will add question outside. So we pick that, and then we go to Nyanza counties. Counties. Click add question, select one, and then pick type the Nyanza counties. For example, Siaya, Kisumu, Kisii, Homa Bay, and then Migori. Homa Bay, and then Migori. So set skip logic, and then this time province, and sorry, I delete this. The question is province, and then skip logic, then delete this condition, add a condition, select province, and this time Nyanza, then save. Okay, add another question within the group. So we've typed the Nyanza provinces. Now we are going to have Rift Valley counties, sorry, not provinces but county, Rift Valley counties. So click add, select one to pick first option. We have Turkana, we have West Pokot, we have Trans Nzoia, we have Uasin Gishu, then we have the next one Elgeyo Marakwet. Then another option is Nandi. Then besides Nandi, we have Kajiado, Kericho, Narok, Kericho, Kajiado, Narok, Bomet, and that is the last one, Bomet. So create skip logic, add when the province we answer Rift Valley, then save. And last one is Nairobi, Nairobi, So Nairobi has got, sorry, not well spelled, Nairobi. So Nairobi, just select one because it is only one option, Nairobi. Okay, then delete this second option, and then what you do is set a skip logic for it, and when a province you pick Nairobi, and then save. So now we can give a test to our skip logic in creating the study location questions. So we can see what happens. Now let's preview the form. So if we click yes, we expect two group of questions to be displayed: respondent details, study location. So in the study location, if you click coast, you expect the option of the coast provinces to be here so that you can pick them. If you click eastern, the same. If you continue western, the same, the western counties. If you pick Nyanza, the same, and that shows that our skip logic to create the the cascade select of cost of study locations units is well displayed. So that marks the end of our lecture today, lecture 3. So let's meet in lecture 4, whereby we will learn how to use this option known as insert cascading select.